Top 7 Trading App in 2024. Number 1 Saxo Bank, Saxo Trader Geo App. Saxo Trader Geo by Saxo Bank is known for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive trading tools. It offers a range of financial instruments, advanced charting, and real-time market data. Number 2 IG Trading App. IG Trading App provides a diverse range of markets for trading, including stocks, indices, forex, and commodities. It's praised for its intuitive design and powerful analysis tools. Number 3 CMC Markets, Next Generation App. CMC Markets Next Generation App is recognized for its customizable layout and advanced charting features. It offers a variety of asset classes and risk management tools. Number 4 TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim App. Thinkorswim is TD Ameritrade's platform known for its advanced charting, technical analysis tools, and options trading capabilities. It caters to both novice and experienced traders with its comprehensive features. City Index Mobile App. Number 5 City Index's mobile app provides access to a wide range of markets, offering real-time pricing and customizable watch lists. It's designed to be user-friendly for traders on the go. Number 6 forex.com, Forex.com App. Forex.com app is known for its user-friendly interface and provides access to a broad range of currency pairs. It offers real-time market data, analysis tools, and educational resources. Number 7 ONDA, FX Trade App. ONDA's FX Trade app is appreciated for its simplicity and reliability in forex trading. It provides live market data, advanced charting, and a user-friendly interface. Each app has its unique features, making them suitable for various trading preferences and needs. Thanks for watching.